Good morning, children. How you all learning? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 44. Now I am going to start exercise 45. Let us learn it. First one, 20 into 20. 20 into 20. If you multiply 20 into 20, what you will get? Here if you observe 1 and 2 zeros here. Place those 2 zeros at a time. And now 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. Answer is 400s. If they given zeros, first you have to place the zeros in the answer side and you have to multiply the remaining numerals. 25 into 1 plus 75 into 0. If you multiply a number with 1, you will get the same number. Yes, not 25. If you multiply any number with 0, you will get 0. 25 plus 0, 25. See the third one. 8 kilometers equal to how many meters? How many meters are there in 8 kilometers? Children, if you know what is 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer contains 1000 meters. 1 kilometer contains 1000 meters. So 8 kilometers means 8 into 1000. 8 into 1000 means 8 into 1000, 8000 meters. Okay. See the fourth one. Rupees 100 minus rupees 78.45. Rupees 100 minus rupees 78.45. Fourth one. Rupees 100 minus rupees 78.45 equal to rupees something. So rupees and pies 100.00 minus 78.45. If you subtract 100 rupees minus 78 rupees 45, it is 10, 9, 9, 9 and this becomes 0. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2. It's nothing but 21 rupee 55 paisa. 21 rupee 55 paisa. Meena did 1/4 of her homework. They are asking us to write it in a fraction form. Write as fraction. Write as fraction. What you have to write as fraction? Meena did 1/4 of the homework. 1/4 of the homework. 1/4 of the homework means 1/4. 1/4 means 1 by 4. 1/4 means 1 by 4. 1/4 means 1 by 4. Write in words. 6 1. Write in words. They given 7 by 11 and they are asking us to write in words. How you will write? Here 1/4 means 1 by 4 here, right? 7 11. 7 by 11 means 7 11s. 7 11s. THS you have to add while writing the denominator number. Okay? See the seventh one, children. A dog weighs and a cat weighs the given. How much more dog weighs? So what is the given data? Weight of dog was given. Next, weight of cat. Weight of dog is 9 kg 300 grams. Weight of cat is 5 kg 250 grams. How much more does the dog weigh? How much more does the dog weigh? How much more means you have to do subtraction. Which weighs more? Dog weighs more. How much more it is they are asking. So more weight of dog, more more weight of dog than cat weight. Than weight of cat. Weight of cat. That means the difference in weights. How you will find kg, grams? How you will find this one, Amma? Dog 9 kg 300 and cat 5 kg 250. Here they are asking us to subtract this one. Yes, na? 0 minus 0. 0. Here 0 minus 5. Is it possible, Nana? No. So borrow it. If you borrow from this, it becomes 3 minus 1, 2. Now it is 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. Here 9 minus 4, 5. 4 kg 50 grams is the more weight of dog than cat. Okay. See the next one now. They given how many ml are there in 5 liter 345 milliliters, and they given one measure also. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay. How many milliliters are there in 5 liters? 345 milliliters. How many milliliters are there in 5 liter 345 milliliters? So 1 liter contain 1000 ml. 1 liter contain 1000 ml. Here 5 liter 345 ml they are asking. 5 liter 345 ml they are asking. So 5 into 1000 plus 345 milliliters as usually you have to write. So 5 into 1000. What is 5 into 1000? 5000 plus 345. What you will get? 5000 plus 345. 5, 4, 3, 5. 5345 ml is the answer. 5345. Last bit. Circle the multiples of 8. Circle the multiples of 8. What are the multiples of 8? They are asking us to circle. They are given 16, 23, 32, 42, 56, 96. See, what is meant by multiple? The numbers which we get, the products which we get, if we multiply the number 8 with 1, 2, 3, 4, those are all the multiples of 8. Yes, na? In 8 table, what the numbers will come? Those are all the multiples of 8. See here, read out the 8 table once again. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes 24. 8 fours 32. 8 fives 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens 80. Okay. These are all about 8 table. The numbers or the answers or the products what we will get to this side, these are all the multiples of 8. These are all the multiples of 8. So circle the multiples of 8. This is the question. 8 ones 8, 8 2 16. So 16 is multiple of 8. 8 3s 24, 8 4s 32. Here 32 is there. It is also multiple of 8. Next 8 5s 40, 8 6s are 40, 8 8 7s 56. Is there 56? Okay. Next 96 is there. Is it multiple of 8 or not? How we can find? By dividing that number 96 with 8. If you get 0 as remainder, then it is the multiple of 8. So divide 8 with 96. Divide 8 with 96. 8 ones are 8. Remainder 1. Drop down 6. Now it is 16. In 8 table 16, 8 2s 16. remainder 0. So 96 here the remainder is 0 na, so 96 is also the multiple of 8. Like that we can find children. In the next class we will